Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to maximize your internet speed in the Windows 10. Actually the thing is, if you have understanding, if you have internet connection of 8 Mbps 10 Mbps, so its trick is not going to maximize that speed to 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps 10 Mbps to 20 Mbps. It's at the 10 Mbps, but you will get the good speed, good browsing speed with these tricks, not the maximize. Okay, so the thing is, first we have to understand how it's working. Actually there is a service named is DNS. It's a domain naming system. Actually the thing, you can easily understand this DNS, because I want to define to you, because with this one you are able to understand how you can really it's work. Okay, this is the graphics. It's not clear too much. Actually the thing is, when you open the browser and your operating system here, okay, it will be resolved as you know, your computer, your operating system is not able to understand your language. Like if you are writing rumiittips.com, it's a computer must be converted in the binary like 0101 format. So this is the service that is used to convert. Okay, and that will be checked for the, and this, if you enter www.rumiittips.com, it will first go for this DNS server here. Okay, so it means that DNS server have the resolution option or no. Okay, and other thing, then after this, if this one don't have, it will check for the, and if this have the DNS query for that particular website, then after you are that it will communicate with the web server, and finally revert back, you will get the website. Okay, because the thing is, why DNS is important to speed up the internet connection. The thing is, if you have the DNS server closest to your location, so you will get the better internet speed in compared to other your DNS. Okay, so the question is, how you can identify the fastest available DNS for your location. Okay, so just open your favorite Google. Okay, and you have to be download Namebench tool. Okay, it's a Namebench. It's a, the tool is name is Namebench. Actually it's provided by Google itself. Okay, as you seen here, and you have to be click on this one. You have to be navigate to downloads. Actually as you seen here, it's a Namebench open source DNS benchmark utility. You have to be download this one. Okay, you have to be download this one. Actually I have already, so I will show you here. Okay, you have to be install this application. You have to be install this application. Okay, actually this application, this application is really, as you seen here, it will be check for the approx thousands of queries for your location. Like see, even the name server, it still include everything, include domain provider, everything. Okay, so what you have to be do, you have to be click on the start benchmark. Actually it will check the too many, like see availability within the 14,500 the running. Actually it takes approx half hour of a time. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. When it's finished, you have this kind of file. Okay, as you seen here, it is means after running this, it will take approx half hour to check the connections. Okay, when it will show you how, if you use this DNS, as you seen here, primary server, secondary server and tertiary server, so you are able to get the fastest. Actually it's a try to make the ping and whatever things it's doing. Okay, so then after you will get the fastest internet connection. So the question is, how you can configure these DNS settings. If you have Wi-Fi, or okay, nothing to worry, maybe you are using the LAN, so on that, nothing to worry about it. Open run command, Windows plus R, and then enter ncpa.cpl command. It's a ncpa.cpl command. Okay, now you open your network connections properties. If you have Ethernet, and if you have Wi-Fi, so click on Wi-Fi and select properties. Okay, and in properties you have to choose this one, internet protocol version for TCP IP. Okay, you have to click on the properties, and you have to define these values here that you find from here. Okay, so like if you want to define 8.8.8, I want to use Google itself, so you have to be defined like this. Okay, so with this you are able to define your fastest available DNS. Okay, as you seen here, it's a take time, don't worry about that, it will minimum half hour it will be take. Okay, nothing to worry about. This one is the my tip one. Actually the thing is I work with approx 4 to 8 organization, and it's really worked. Okay, and other thing, you have to be disable the file and printer sharing and the IPv6. Actually, to disable the file and printer sharing, you have to be open the same Windows plus R, and you have to enter the command ncpa.cpl. okay, and now again click on the connections, whatever connections you have, and here if you are not using the printer, you must be disable this, disable this. Okay, and you must be also but don't disable this IPv4, you must be disable this. Okay, IPv6 on, and as you seen here, I disabled this file and printer sharing. If you don't have the printer, also QoS packet scheduler, and also this IPv6 you have to be installed, disable from here. Okay, this one is the tip 2. So, and now we have to be tip 3. So you have to be disable schedule tasks. So actually the thing is, if you check for schedule, okay, you have option to use task scheduler. Okay, to must be open with the run as administrator. Okay, sorry, task scheduler, open with this one, your task scheduler, not open with the administrator. Okay, as you seen here, if you click on this one, it will show you the which, as you seen here, like Google update and CC cleaner is tried to update. Actually the thing is, it's a you, if you don't want to if you want to make this connection, you have to be disable this these things also. You click here on disable. Okay, either if you want to from here, you have two options, right click on it and you have to be disable. If you want to disable, you have the option here, disable. Okay, so my third trick is, because if you disable this one, this one try to communicate with their server, and that it will be consume your internet bandwidth also. So you have to be disable this one. Okay, with task scheduler and exit. Okay, and now comes on the tip 4. Actually, you know, with the Microsoft Windows 10 now Windows 10 is sharing your internet connection peer-to-peer style with the for Windows updates. So for you have to be disable that one. I already make one video for it, you can check it. Okay, so click on start, then settings. Okay, in setting you click on the update and security. Okay, in update and security you have two options for advanced options. Okay, in advanced option you have to be click on choose how we can deliver. Actually by default it's on. Okay, as you seen here, it's a try to communicate with the other PCs. So in that condition you don't want to share your internet bandwidth with the other persons, so you have to be must be disable this one your. Okay, and yeah, with this one you are not able to going to share your internet bandwidth with the other tool. This is my tip 4, and the fourth tip is use for especially for wireless. Actually the thing is, in wireless, if you have actually you know wireless is running on the wireless frequencies. So if in your Android, you know, in if you installed any new wireless devices, it's going to by default, and the frequency that you are using and your neighbors are using on the same frequency, so you are not able to get the good internet bandwidth, you know, good internet speed. So on the condition now in your maybe in your mind, how you can identify, you know, which which channel is used by me and which channel is used by my friend, my neighbors. Nothing to worry about it. I'll show you. And you just open your favorite Google, and you have to be search for in SSIDR free download. Actually now it's a very popular tool, but now it's a make paid, so you search for free. And because it's not the current version, it's providing the previous version, nothing to worry about it. You have to choose your operating system. Even is option available for Android also, and I also created one video for that one. So you have to click this on Windows, and actually I have already, so I don't want to download, and I downloaded already, so I have to be open. Or sorry, is it again? Nothing to worry about it. I just open it. Yeah, here is tool is here. Okay, you have to be install. No, it's already installed in my connection. Nothing to worry about it. If you downloaded, you must be download and again open on this tool. Okay, in SSIDR home. Okay, so this is the app. You have to be open this one. Believe me, this is the really nice utility with you are able to troubleshoot your internet connections, your wireless. You can easily improve your wireless speed with this tool. Okay, and as you seen here, my all the network cards is just try to filter. So I think no, I have to close this one. Wait a minute, I don't know, it's not working. Nothing to worry about it. I will show you this one. Okay, and other thing is curve, to use the curve port tools. Okay, so you have to open your favorite Google, and you have to be search for this curve ports tool. Actually, it's a tool for monitoring TCP network connections. Okay, it's a very small utility. You have to be this download from here in down, whatever. If you have 32-bit, you download this one, otherwise this one. Okay, I have this one also. So you also run with this as an administrator. And actually I already open, so you have to be open with run as administrator. Okay, it will show you which port is trying to communicate with which one. Okay, so as you seen here, like Google Chrome is trying to communicate, many services are trying to communicate with your PC. Like see, name bench is open, as you seen here, too many name bench are open. So many services are open. Suppose if you want to close these services, so select this one and click on the file, and you have the option to selected ports, close TCP connections. If you have multi TCP, you have to be select all, and you have to be kill the process or ports. Okay, so you have, like, if you want to close this one, because if your understanding is taking too much time, too much bandwidth, so you can easily close with this one. Okay, and other is task manager. With task manager, even you are able to understand this how many bandwidth are used. If you open the task manager here, how many networks in networks, like if you click on the performance, means how much bandwidth and how many things are used. Okay, so with this graph in open task manager, with performance, you are able to identify with this one. If you are using Ethernet, you are able to identify with this one. Okay, And my tip 7. Okay, actually Microsoft actually Windows, by default it's a limiting your bandwidth, it's taking. Okay, so on that condition you have to be reserved that, open that one, open your Windows run command and open gpedit dot msc. Okay, it's a group policy, and you have to be open computer configuration, and then navigate to administrative templates. In administrative templates, click on the network, and administrative network, and you have to be in network administrative template network, and you have to be choose for QoS packet scheduler. Okay, as you seen here, it's a computer configuration, administrative template, then QoS packet scheduler. In right side you have option to limit reservable bandwidth. As you seen here, if you seen, by default the packet scheduler limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of the connection, so you can use this setting to override the defaults. Okay, so click on the enable. By default it's a 80, so you have to be put 0. Okay, you have to be apply. Okay, and actually you, as a path is here, like see, you computer configuration, administrative templates, then QoS packet scheduler. Okay, you apply this policy, so and now you have to be update this policy. So to you must be update the policy to effect, otherwise you restart your computer. Open the command prompt with the administrative account, and now enter the gp update command. As you seen here, I entered the gp update command, so now it's updating the policy. As you seen, my policy is now updated. Okay, so this is the command you have to be update. Okay, now the other thing you have to be okay, now it's our tip 7. Just open Windows run command. Okay, and you have to open ms config. Okay, in ms config click on the services. Here is the services list that's are shown. Okay, you search for all the remote services, and remote, the services that's starting from the word remote, and you have to be uncheck that one, see, remote access connection manager. If you don't want to use this one, you must be demo service. All the remotes you must be disable. Okay, and after that you have to be apply, and you have to be okay, and click on exit without restart. So with these tools and other one tool, okay, like sometime if you have you browsing too much and cache and cookies are stored in your PC, so on that time you have to be clean your PC. So for that condition you have to be best utility like CCleaner. Okay, it's a name stand for you have to be navigate to pyriform.com, and here free is also available. Either you download from FileHippo or whatever site. Okay, then after downloading this you have to be open, search for your CCleaner. I have already. Okay, so you have to be open this, and in this one you have to be check this internet cache everything for your browser whatever you are using. Okay, even if you are using Google Chrome, you have to be choose this one. Okay, so with this Windows, and then after you click on the analyze, okay, and then after you click on the run cleaner. So you means with this one you clean your cache and cookies everything from your PC. So now you are able to get the fastest internet connection with your PC. Actually I this app is currently not working on my PC. I will show you which kind of result it's showing. Okay, yeah. After running, actually I don't know why it's not running in my time, nothing to worry about it. when actually I just open one image how it will be looks. Okay, when you run, after running this one, you are able to identify, like see here channel, this guys, this SSID is using this channel 11116432 by default. Mostly it's running on the one. So on that condition, as you've seen here, if the all guys are running, you know, same frequency, so like I just seen here, if you see here, all these guys are using the same frequency, means that that wireless frequency will be collide and you are not able to get the good internet speed. So on that condition, the question is how you can change your channel. Nothing to worry about it. Open your router, and mostly it's 792.68.1.1. actually I have Linksys, so, and it's a default is admin, and you click on this one and click on wireless. Okay, in wireless you have option to choose, you know, like here in channel you have option to choose, like it's available by default it's auto. Actually I make this one 10. So whatever option, whatever graphs you shown, like if as you seen here, my 10 is used by my neighbor, so on that condition use 9, or if it whatever available, you know, free, you must be use this one. So after that you are able to get the fastest internet connection with the Windows 10. Hope you like my videos. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.